Ooh, birdie. Monthly cleaning of his butt on the brittle pad of Choo-Choo's head. Yes, we don't look at it as a form of making out with another bird. No. We look at this as the monthly scrubbing of the bird's butt. You know, birds doo-doo all the time. Never really get to clean their butt, so this is how our birdie keeps his butt clean. Yeah. Yeah. Right on Choo-Choo's head. His head is like a Brillo pad. Right, birdie? Alright. Hey, wouldn't want to try it on mine. You're a little too abrasive. Yeah. Oh. Back for more. Scrubby, scrubby. Scrubby, scrubby, scrubby. My buddy, buddy, buddy on my buddy's head. Woo-hoo. I guess we can officially claim Choo-Choo's head as a butt head. Same to you. Okay. Aloha from the Bozu house, where weird things happen all the time. Especially with the bird. Bless you.